Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful rectangle shawl pattern. You can use that pattern everywhere you want. It's so easy, only 4 rows repeating. I give all the details in the video. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and watching. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful shawl pattern. Let's start to crochet. I use this yarn Wojwik Love. It's like that middle thickness. I think size is 3 or 4. I use 5mm hook with that yarn. We need for this pattern multiples of 12 plus 6 chains. Okay, I use this sample 54 chains, and it's comes to 25 centimeter width. Length which you choose. You can crochet it nearly 2 meters if you use as a rectangle shawl. If you want to make it more wider, you can add 12 chains more, per 12 per 12. Okay, now I want to show you a sample. I will make my chains. First of all, make a slip knot, then multiples of 12. I will make 24 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 and 24. This is for pattern. Then add for the sides 6 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I have now 30 chains. Yarn over and turn my chains. You can see here back loops. Not count on the hook loop. 1 2 3 skip, insert into the fourth one, like that. Grab your yarn, pull through to, pull through to. This chain 3 count as your first double crochet. Then yarn over and insert your hook next back loop. Yarn over, insert your hook next back loop, pull through to, pull through to. We do it like that for the clean starting. We will make a double crochet in every back loop. I will make mine after turn to you. Totally I have 28 double crochet, 24 for multiples of 12, 4 for the sides. Chain 3 and turn your work. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch. Grab your yarn, pull through to, make a double. Next stitch, make a double. Next stitch, make a double crochet. So I have here totally 4 double crochet. Chain 3, yarn over, skip 3, insert into the fourth one, and make 1 double crochet. Chain 3, skip 3, insert into the fourth one, make 5 double crochet in each 5 stitch. 1, next 2, next 3, next 4, and next 5. Chain 3, yarn over, skip 3, insert into the fourth one, and make a double crochet. This is repeating. Chain 3, skip 3, make 1 double. Chain 3, skip 3, make 5 double. This is repeating of this row 3. Chain 3, I come to the end. Of course your shawl is more bigger. You will chain 3, skip 3 and make 5 double, then chain 3, skip 3 and make 1 double. I will finish the row as starting. Chain 3, skip 3, I have 4 stitch left. make 4 double crochet and finish this row. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 3 and turn your work. Start to making the third row. Yarn over and insert your hook next stitch and make a double crochet. Chain 3, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4 stitch, insert of the fifth one. This is the third chain, you can see that, and make here 4 double crochet. 1, insert into the third stitch, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the first chain, after that double crochet here, and make 4 double crochet again here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip all these stitches and come to third chain again and do the same thing. Make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 1, skip this double and insert your hook after stitch of that double, the first chain, and make here 4 double. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is repeating. Chain 5 and skip these stitches and make 4 double crochet on the third chain. Chain 1, skip the double crochet stitch, after make 4 double crochet on the first stitch. You will keep repeating like that. When you come to the end of your row, as the start, chain 3, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, insert into the fifth one, make a double, and make a double crochet on the last stitch. Chain 3 and turn your work. Start the fourth row. Yarn over and insert into the second stitch and make a double crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Come to the chain 1 space here and make here 5 double. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 3, yarn over, you know we have here 5 chains. You will skip the first 2 chains and insert your hook from the third chain. Grab your yarn, pull through to, make a double crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, come to chain 1 space and make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the repeating. Chain 3, make a double crochet on the third chain. Chain 3, make 5 double crochet on the chain 1 space. You will keep repeating as same as. When you come to the end of this row, fourth row, chain 3, yarn over and finish with 2 double crochet. Make here double and make here last double. Chain 3 and turn your work. We start the fifth row. Yarn over and insert your hook second stitch and make here 4 double. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 2 3 4 5. We make a row like the third row, but we slide this piece space. Yarn over and skip these stitches and come to the double crochet. Make here, skip all these stitches and come to the third chain here. Make here 4 double. 1 2 3 and 4. Chain 1, skip the double crochet stitch, insert into the first chain and make 4 double again. 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 4 5. This is repeating. You will skip the all stitches and come to the third chain and make 4 double, chain 1 and come to the first chain, make 4 double on it. Okay, when you come to the end of that row, you will finish as like the beginning. Insert into the last, before of the last double crochet this stitch and make here 4 double. 1 2 3 and 4. Make your last double crochet on the last stitch. We complete the 5th row like that. 1 2 3 chains and turn your work. Yarn over, insert into the second stitch and make a double. Then chain 3, skip 1 2 3 4 and 5. Come to the third chain here, middle of that. You remember we have here 5 chains. Insert your hook, third chain, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, come to the chain 1 space and make here 5 double. 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 chains, skip here, skip 1 and the second 1 and 2 chains, insert into the third chain, grab your yarn and make a double. 1 2 3 chains, skip 1 2 3 4 5 stitch, insert into the 6th one, make a double and finish with a double. This 6th row repeating is chain 3, make a double on the third stitch, chain 3, make 5 double on the chain 1 space, as same as your 4th row's slide version. Now this is the repeating part. You will keep repeating 3rd, 4th, 5th and the 6th rows. You will keep crocheting as same as the 3rd row when you come to the 7th row. I will show you one more time. After you can keep crocheting as same as chain 3 and turn your work. Make double crochet on the 2nd stitch. Then chain 3, yarn over and skip 2 stitch and insert your hook from the 3rd chain. Make here 4 double. 1 2 3 and 4. Chain 1, skip double crochet stitch and insert your hook first chain and make here 4 double crochet more. 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 4 5. yarn over, skip all these stitches and come to next third chain here. Insert your hook, again make 4 double, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 1, skip double crochet stitch and make 4 double crochet more, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 this time, because we finishing. If you keep repeating, you will make chain 5 and do that 4 double, chain 1, 4 double. Okay, third stitch, skip double crochet stitch, third stitch. Then finish your row with 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Then repeat the 4th row, then repeat the 5th row, then repeat the 6th row. Okay. You will keep repeating these 4 rows. I hope you like this tutorial. It's so simple. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.